In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name inside your Ring app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up the Ring app on your mobile device as you normally would. And now from here, you want to click on the three horizontal bars on the top left-hand corner. And then click onto account settings. And now here's my account settings name. So my name tutorial is email. So to change this, simply click on account information. Alright, and then I'm going to update. So under personal, you got your name. So I want to update my name. So I'm just going to call this alright, so yep, here we go. So I'm just going to call it Tutwiz, like so. Got to click save. And there you go. It's as easy as that. Success, your name has been updated. So if I go back, you will see my name has been changed here. Hope this video was helpful.